Hello, my name is Sarah Kim, and I was a legal intern at IMARA as a part of law school placement program. IMARA is a local charity that supports children, young people, and their families after a disclosure of child sexual abuse. As a legal intern, my role was mainly to explain the law and the legal system to our clients and their families. I often made cards or posters to explain to families how the criminal justice procedures were like or what the layout of the court was like. I also made and managed their Instagram account as well as joined them for various meetings with the Methodist Church to discuss child sexual abuse. The working environment is very, very comfortable, small yet cozy. I worked in a small office with 3 other directors, and they were really supportive of whatever I did, but I had a lot of responsibilities. I feel like the best part about this internship was that I was given a lot of responsibilities, probably more than what an intern is expected to get in an internship. For instance, I was never afraid to speak up or ask for help whenever I needed it. And I was always very confident to come up with any ideas, criticism, or my thoughts, and I can do it confidently, knowing that it will be heard and respected. Therefore, I could come up with many things I wanted to do, and they would never ever disregard it. They would always appreciate it and believe in me to know that I can take this to a different level and make different changes to the organization, which I really appreciated. And they made me feel like a part of a team rather than just an intern joining them for a short period of time, which made me feel really comfortable. And I feel like the time there was invaluable to me for my career as well. I built a lot of communication skills as well as how confident I could be while speaking to them. As a shy person, I feel like that's a great quality I learned. The most difficult problem I had while working at IMARA was to stay professional and less emotional, as child sexual abuse is a very difficult topic. I found it really difficult to stay professional. This problem peaked when I was actually at the court hearing. I was looking at the perpetrator, listening to what he has done, and sitting there doing nothing felt so difficult to me. And what makes it even harder is that due to the confidentiality nature of the job, I can't really talk about this with anyone else outside the work. And if I don't do that, it's hard for them to understand how difficult this role can be. The way I tackled this was actually not to look far away, but just to talk to someone at IMARA. Everyone at IMARA is very supportive, and nevertheless, they went through the same feelings and experienced the same emotions as I had. They were really understanding, and mostly they let me know that it is okay and perfectly fine to feel this way and find this job difficult, as it's what they all went through. So if you want to intern at IMARA, my advice to you would be to stay confident and demonstrate your knowledge on IMARA's work. You should be able to show your knowledge on the charity sector, IMARA's work, child sexual abuse, as well as the problems we may face. It is important to show that you are a confident person as well, as IMARA is a really busy environment, and normally we are given a lot of independent work. So you should be able to show how initiative you can be, as well as be confident enough to ask for help when you are in need of help. Also, demonstrating your experience or skills you have through any previous work experiences or any roles you had would be very, very helpful.